Hi, I'm Matthew Hall and I'm a Windows Phone and Xbox Live indie game developer. I'm here to talk about OpenXLive and how I've used it in one of my games, Boom Headshot. But first, I'm going to introduce a little bit more about myself and show you some of the projects I've been working on through the use of my website. So this is my website, MatthewHall3D.com. I set this website up while I was at university as a way to showcase some of the work that I was doing in my final year, and now I use it to display the projects that I'm undertaking on Windows Phone and Xbox. So as we can see here, we're on the Windows Phone development section of the site, and this showcases some of the projects that I've completed on the phone. So it starts off with Facts of Life, which I completed just after I started work as a C# programmer, and then after that I created Boom Headshot, which I'll talk a little bit more about later. Then created Santa's Workshop, which was my first XNA based game on the phone, and then up to my most recent release, which was His and Hers, which was like a question style game, which it's done really well. It's had a lot of downloads, it's been rated well, it's quite high in the charts, so it's nice to have some success just like that. Also have a section on Xbox Live development. Here we have a few screenshots of a game called Rebound. I really enjoy developing on the Xbox. It's a slightly different challenge to that of the phone, but it's nice to have something that you've written running on a console. I'm hoping to have this game finished for the Dream Build Play event in June, so I'm looking forward to finally finishing this game. Just going back to the phone section of the site, let's go back down to Boom Headshot. This is a Silverlight based game where the player has to hit as many targets as they can before the time runs out. Different targets are worth different points. There's also some targets that you need to avoid. We have 3 different difficulty levels for slightly different gameplay, and this was the first game that I used OpenXLive in. So what I'm going to do now is switch to the emulator and show you the game in action and talk through some of the features that I used and how I implemented it in my game. So this is the game running on the emulator. I'm using the OpenXLive main menu. The features that I used from OpenXLive were leaderboards, achievements and announcements. So let's just go into Game Center and see how they look. Here we have quite a few leaderboards to track different stats. These leaderboards are updated automatically at the end of each game, and the player can then see how they rank against the rest of the world. The announcements allow me as a developer to pass information to the players of the game without having to do an update and going through App Hub. This here can be information about upcoming events or features in the game. We then have the achievements. Gives people step-by-step guide of all the achievements in the game and how to earn them. They can also see what they've earned, what they've not earned. So let's just go through and show you the game in action. Go for medium. As I said before, the idea is just to hit as many targets as you can. You can see here that the time decreases. Obviously you want to avoid some targets. Ammo goes down as well, you need to reload. Let's just quickly end this game now so we can see what happens at the end. You can see there, achievement unlocks, and you get the stats at the end of the game. And now these stats are automatically updated to the leaderboard, and as you just saw there, achievements are automatically unlocked as well. also have in-game stats. So this is useful as some of the achievements require you to get certain scores in some of these categories. So this page is really nice to be able to see how close you are to those achievements. Obviously have the instructions as well for the game. So I really feel that OpenXLive has added a lot to the development of Boom Headshot. It's allowed me to quickly and easily integrate features that really add to the gameplay. As a developer, it's great to be able to get in contact with your players quickly and easily. You can do that through announcements. It's nice as well to have this UI, the startup page. A lot of developers use the same page. It's nice to have a consistency across all applications. From a player's point of view, it's really nice to be able to see what games you've played, not just the one you're playing now, but all other games as well. You can track your achievements across multiple games the same way you can like with Xbox Live. View all your friends, and it is a really nice tool. I really enjoy using it. I'm looking forward to future updates, and I'm using those updates in games that I'm creating. So that's my review of OpenXLive. As you can see, it's a great tool for both developers and players. If you'd like any more information, be sure to check out the websites being displayed now. Thanks for watching.